if you want to insert a dual SIM cards into our Samsung Galaxy A36, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, we have to grab our SIM ejecting tool or object thin enough to fit into our SIM tray, maybe starting paper clip or basically needle or anything. Now let's grab our phone and let's locate our SIM tray. It's right near our charging port at the bottom. So now insert your SIM ejecting tool into this hole and let's take out our SIM tray. There is a place for your SIM 1 and there is a place for your SIM 2. So grab your SIM 1, insert it at the slot for the SIM 1, make sure that the contacts are facing upwards. Grab your SIM 2, insert it in the slot for SIM 2. Make sure that they are fitting snugly and tightly. And now let's enter our loaded SIM tray right into our phone. So gently push it and basically that's it. Now let's wait and see if our phone detects both of the SIM cards, and it does. So now it prompts us to enter or edit SIM names and icons if you need to. I won't do that. Choose preferred SIM for calls, for messages, and for mobile data. Press done and you are done. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.